Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter. Today I'm gonna share with you an amazing trick how to make magic video in Android mobile phone. It is unbelievable, you can't imagine that how much it exciting. It is an easy method but it will unbelievable for someone. So let's go started. First have a look my video which I'm gonna make magic video. Open your Play Store and here search for Reverse. Here you will see an app Reverse Movie FX Magic Video. I have already installed it in my mobile phone. You have to install it in your mobile phone. Before open this application, I want to say something about it. That is an effect which used in all movies video. So let's open it. Then you can see something like this. Here click on Start Reverse. Here you can choose file from gallery and you can also record a video instant. But I always prefer to use from gallery. So here I will click on choose movies. Here is my video, so I have to tap on it. Then here tap on start. Here you can see some other effects. You can also use it or click on start reversing with default. It takes some time for processing. Till then wait for complete. Now my video is ready. Have a look. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, share our video. See you on the next tutorial with a new topic. Till then, peace. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.